As Provost of UWTSD's Swansea and Cardiff campuses, I'm delighted that we're able to welcome more students and staff back for this summer term. It feels like a long time since we've been able to meet each other in person, and I hope that this marks the beginning of a gradual return to a more normal way of working. In line with government guidelines, over the next few weeks, we will gradually increase in-person learning for the majority of students. We will be continuing with a blended learning approach, combining on-campus and online learning, and your department will inform you of when your in-person teaching will resume, so please remember to check your emails regularly for updates. I'm so grateful to all of you for the way in which you have worked with us to ensure the safety of our university community. This has been a genuine team effort, which has ensured that we have minimised the risk of spreading the coronavirus. So much has been achieved, we've come so far, and now we can look with confidence to a future and a new term and academic year ahead. As more people attend our campuses, it is vital that we remain vigilant and keep to the rules here in Wales to ensure that we can maintain and increase our presence on our campuses over the coming months. Our safety measures, including access to regular testing, wearing of face coverings, physical distancing and hand hygiene remain in place. Our COVID dashboard on the hub tile will give you access to all the information you need to keep yourself safe, including how to book a test. And our student services team is here, ready and waiting to support you as you re-engage with on-campus learning. I look forward to welcoming you to the campus in due course. In the meantime, keep yourselves, your friends and your families safe. Thank you.